Hello everyone, and welcome to the DUT App Factory 2-minute tutorials. My name is Sachin, and in the last video I covered setting up a sample database in SQL. In this video I'll be going over SQL statements. So what are SQL statements? SQL statements or commands are typed out actions that are performed on a database to manipulate and present data. Some of the most common SQL statements are select, update, delete, insert into, create database, alter database, create table, alter table, and drop table, with their overall use case being self-explanatory. There are more statements than this, and I would encourage you to read further. However, for the purposes of this tutorial series, I will be focusing on these to give a high-level outlook on the capabilities of SQL. An important note here is that any statement typed within SQL are not case-sensitive, but a general convention is to type SQL keywords in uppercase to make it easier to read and collaborate with other people in your company. Now let's focus on the select statement specifically. The select statement is used to select data from a database and to return the data in a tabular form called a result set. Select syntax is as follows. First we would type select, followed by the columns we are interested in viewing. Then we would type from to specify which table within the database we want to view. And finally, we can add a where condition to narrow down return results to only the conditions we are interested in seeing. Also, a very common syntax is to use a star instead of listing individual column names to return all the columns from a specific table. Now let's head over to Microsoft SQL Server Management Studio to practice the select command on the sample database that we previously imported here. First, we're going to click New Query, which will allow us to type in statements. Let's type the select statement, followed by a star to select all columns in a specific table we're interested in, and now we're going to use the from to select a specific table. In this case, I'm going to select this one over here, the first one, which is called applications.cities. Let's execute the command, and we can see that SQL has now returned all data from application.cities table. Let's be more specific and add a where clause. Let's say we're only interested in seeing data from a specific place, like Abbeville. We can do that by simply typing where city name is equal to, open inverted commas, Abbeville. We can now see in the result set that SQL returned only 5 cities whose name are Abbeville. This demonstrates the power of SQL, as it was able to narrow down thousands of sets of data into 5 in only a matter of seconds. I hope you managed to learn something from this video, and I'll see you next time.